These are the Deck Talk LED neon rope lights. Installation is a breeze. They come with adhesive tape, and I've seen people use these for everything like bedroom accents, hallway lighting, or even display cabinets. Because they're so flexible, you really can express your own DIY style. So these are the 2 rolls, so it's nice. You have 2 different setups, but man, these are long, so it's easy to make some shapes. It's easy to do some patterns and still have a lot left over. You have the classic remote. You could change the colors here. You could change the different modes, how fast you want it to go, even have a timer set up, change the brightness, even have it set to like audio so it goes with the music. And if you're feeling lazy, it connects with Alexa and Google, or you can use the smartphone app, and that gives you a lot of creative control over how these lights look and act, and you can change colors, make them really custom, and just go through that and set it all up there. The app is very intuitive and simple to follow, so you can dive into huge color palettes or pick from preset scene modes. But yeah, they do have the music sync, and I love that. That's my favorite part. So the lights can hear your music or ambient noise or even your voice, and will change according to the beats and the rhythms that you're providing it. So perfect for gaming sessions or even parties. The vibe just moves with you. They run on 24 volts, but they're safe and cool to the touch when they're on, so they don't heat up. Plus the casing is non-flammable and incredibly flexible. You could shape them into whatever angle you want and not worry about snapping them. They have an IP65 waterproof rating. They'll handle those yard displays or outdoor bar settings, but do make sure that the power supply is undercover or inside, because that is not waterproof. Bottom line, you're looking for some high quality, amazing looking rope lights. Deck Talk has you covered. They're bright, durable, incredibly smart. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.